First pack of the day. Let's see what we get. Yo, purple. Yo, wait. Yo, that's my first black ice. Bro. There's no way. It's not that good though. I don't play this. I don't even have those characters, bro. Oh my. That's pretty good. First pack though. Second pack. Blue. Okay. Thermite skin. Not gonna wear that. Really. Well, it's the only thermite skin I have, but you know. Alright. Let's buy this real quick. Yes, I want to buy it. Why is it popping up? Okay. Awesome, bro. Let's go. That's a good it's a good skin. Okay. Next pack. Purple? Bro, no way. Brother, that was bad. Well, that was really bad. Alright, we got a green. Oh, yo, that's not bad. Oh, that's actually really good for a green. Wait, that's a really good green, bro. Wait, that's not bad. I'll wear that. I'll use that. Bro. Wait, that's not bad at all. It's not bad. Alright, next pack. Alright, so we got 50 celebration packs. The really good ones, too. Alright, blue. What is that? Bro, what is that? Oh. Get that out of here. Get that out of here, bro. Give me purple. Yo, purple. Wait. Yo. Doc. Yo. I run Doc. He's really good. Bro. It's not the best. But I don't have a headgear for him, so it's fine. Next one. Another purple. Back to back purple. Yo! Black eyes again. I'm Havana. No way, bro. No way. That's so good. Let's go. Awesome. Bro. We already got 2 black ice. And what? The 10th pack? Alright, this is actually insane. Okay, next pack. Let's see. Oh, legendary. There's no way. Please. That is insane. That's insane. That's really good. That was really good. Blue. Drone skin! Yes! Bro, this is actually decent, bro. Next pack. Blue. P90. I love the P90, but that's a bad skin, bro. That's a bad skin. Interesting. Alright. This is... Oh, I don't... It's alright. It's interesting. Okay, next pack. Okay, let's see. Legendary. Oh. What is that, bro? What is that? Purple. I'm never gonna use this. Okay. No, that's horrible. No. That's bad. Blue. That's cool. Never gonna use it, really. Is it rare? Is this rare? Legendary. No way! We've gotten so many legendaries. Is this good? Is this... It's like her head's a target, bro. This is decent. This is decent. This is decent. Okay. 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 That's decent. That's decent. Legendary. No way, another one. What is this? What is this? Wait. Oh, we got attachment skin. Oh, wait. Attachment skin's not that good. How's that legendary? It looks... I don't know. That looks bad. Next one. Purple? Purple? Come on, purple. Give me purple. Oh! Wait, that's not a bad blue. That's not a bad blue. That's actually not bad. Looks like the Battle Pass one, but red. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna use that. It's really nice. Come on. Yes. What? Yo, I play Flores. Yo, that's good. 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 I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Nice. Next one. Come on. Come on. No, bro. I already have like 5 skins for Ace, bro. Come on. No. Okay. Come on. Give me something better. Give me a black ice or something. I don't know. Bro, I've already got 2 black ices. Oh. Come on. Yo, wait. Wait, that's good. Is it good? It's decent. That should not be a legendary. This should not be a legend. This looks like a purple, to be honest. Legendary should be way more pop. This is not pop. This is very subtle. Okay. Yo. Where's it at? Oh. I don't have that character, but it's really good, bro. Yo. There's no way. That's so good. That's so good. Next pack. Bro, another purple. Could be way better, bro. I don't know why that's a purple. Another purple. I already have a really good background. Oh. Oh, yo, bro, that's insane. Yo, no way. There's no way. That was so good. Another, bro. How many legendaries are there? Blitz. You're joking me, bro. Okay, come on, bro. What the heck? Oh my. I'm gonna poop. No. Oh. Blue. Oh? I don't have a headgear for her. That's decent. Bro, come on. Come on. Give me something good. Oh, but I just got that Nook. I just got that really good Nook skin. This one's another purple, bro. I don't run that gun, bro. It's a good skin. Another purple, bro. How many purples are there? There's so many. I'm grateful, but this is not. You guys open. Come on. A blue. Wait. It's on all the orange operators. Dust line. That's not a bad. It's not bad. That's not bad. No, that's good. That's good. That's nice. Okay. Next one. Purple. Wait, that's good. Wait, that's not bad. That's not too bad. can't really see it that much. I've gotten worse. Legendary. That is really good. That is really good, bro. That's so good. That looks so nice. Wait. That looks nice. That's bro, that's not bad at all. Why am I not excited for this? Why am I not excited? I don't know. But it looks very nice. Next one. Legendary. Come on. Ooh, I don't play him, so I don't play him. That stinks. Yeah, because that's really good. That looks nice. Next one. Blue, purple, sorry. Solio's headgear. Never gonna use that. Okay. Bro, the only way this would be better if no. No! What the frick is that, bro? That's terrifying. Yo, that's in my nightmares, bro. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's... Whoa! Bro. I don't know what to say. That's insane. It's really good. Bro. Expect. Come on, bro. You're spoiling me, bro. Ooh. Bro, what is this? What is this? What the fairy, bro? No. Just no. I can't. Dude, we've gotten some insane stuff now. Like purple. There's no way. Black ice. Black ice. I summoned him, bro. I summoned it. I'm just Timothy. What's that? Is that our third black ice? This pack. This is insane. I literally just summoned him, bro. I said black ice and he summoned. He came. It's right in front of you now. I'm just Timothy. We have 15 packs left. Bro. I can't believe it. I won't look off of it. It looks so nice. Alright, another purple. Bro. Give me black ice. Ubisoft. This is the best pack opening of Rainbow Six Siege. I can't. Back to back black ice. You can... I called it again, bro. There's no way. There's no way. The P90 is my favorite gun at the moment, bro. There's no way. But this is insane. This isn't... I'm kind of dying right now. I'm dying inside. Bro, I'm so... What? Why? Why? How? How is that even possible? That is really bad. That is... How is that epic?
Okay, alright.
Attack. We've gone blue for a while. Tiki charm. Tiki teeth. Purple. I mean, it's alright, but I got the black ice one, so we don't need it. Another blue? Oh. 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 How is that rare? How is that a blue? Hello? That's Doctor's Curse. Bro, that should be legendary. Why? Dreadful Baboon.
Okay. What?
Legendary. Oh. Oh? That's kind of disgusting looking. Not in a good way. That is... Purple. Come on. Purple. Come on. Come on. Simeon. I don't really play him much at all. No. Just no. I'm never gonna use this. If this was on any other gun, that'd be fine. Wait, is this good? Is that good? Kind of looks cool. It's just like a black skin. So, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. One of the... Wait, oh, it's universal. That's cool. That's cool. Bro. How is this legendary, bro? How is that? How is that legendary? It's weird. Isn't this like a exclusive skin or something? I don't know. Okay, well that's gonna be it for the video. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these pack opening videos. Peace.